I am very much honored and privileged to call upon the Governor of Chuuk State, His Excellency Alexander Narruhn, to give his remark. Governor Narruhn.
Always thanks the Lord for giving us this beautiful day with beautiful people. At Stirok, one His Excellency Bishop Julia Angel. At Stirok, Waro Popuisap, Wari Fefet, Tori urusan non Feratikas Kirigin, Southern Navarias. At Stirok, Waro co-mayors in our Southern Navarias region, most especially our mayor from this island at the fund, Matias. Tori Chiopkoe, Naracho Fefen Municipal Office. Tirogari Arabaseri for Tori Arabaser Narus Southern Navarias. That's the road. One members of the 17th Chuuk State Legislature. We're very glad that a few of them are joining us today from Kichi Municipality in Pohnpei. Traditional leaders from our sister states. Yerigits Medisin, Astiro, Atskapong, Praranim. On behalf of Chuuk State, most especially this area, we call it the Southern Navarias. I would like to convey our thank you very much for deciding to come with us to continue our celebration of our third Micronesia Expo here in Feven Island. This area called Southern Navarias consists of 4 or 5 municipal governments, and that is this island, Feven Island, our neighboring island called Uman, Furuesom, where the ladies danced that marching dance under the leadership of Adiso Kidiokiku. And of course, Tuplan or Toroas, the one across, is also one of the islands here in Southern Navarias. And then those two small islands where we call Sis and Perim. We want to bring you here to experience the way our life is. A lot of people reside on these islands. And you can imagine, every day we go to Wana in the morning and come back. So we would like you to experience our beautiful ocean and our islands here in Southern Navarias. Furthermore, I would like to convey our appreciation to the mayors and the Sopun of the islands in Southern Navarias for allowing us to continue the celebration of unity, our diversity, and our differences on this island, on Feven, in Southern Navarias region. Kiniso saburi kevin, revi reviakits, nori revi kerai, and sipo we atorot ki wasera, our experiencing who we are as people from Southern Navarias. Fokul kiniso saburi. So many things that I would like to add, but because time is of the essence, I just want to continue to thank the committee on this island, on the Southern Navarias region, that prepared all of this. And I hope you experience the way we are, the way we live in Southern Navarias. And should you have any more curiosity, there is all of them. You can ask anybody. From the preparation of the pounded breadfruit to everything, the catching of fish, and there are so many others that may interest your curiosity. But bottom line, on behalf of myself, the Lieutenant Governor Micronesia William, our families, the leadership of Chuuk, the traditional leadership of Chuuk, most especially here in Southern Navarias, I would like to thank you all for joining us on FEVEN, and we hope this experience lasts a lifetime. Kinso Tabur and Kamarale, everybody.
Kiriso Tabur, Honorable Governor, and Kamarale to you too.
The answer is one family at a time. Camarade! Hey, camarade! Me! You! We are one family! Of course we are one family! We will be forever, and you bless me. The answer is one Federated States of Micronesia. As of today, we
Dr. Residency Purito Supang, Radisi, Luriso,